Check out the chicken, he's a-chugging down the trail with 100 angry animals hot on his tail. They all had to chase him halfway around the globe to get back what he nicked from their wardrobes. Check out the chicken, he's chugging down that trail. Check out the chicken. Check out the chicken. He took the dove's gloves and the crow's hose. Then he pinched the ant's pants right under his nose. Got the baboon's pantaloons and the leech's breeches. When he nicked the mouse's blouses, you could hear all the screeches. He's got the socks of the ox and 2 pillbox hats. One belongs to a fox and the other to a rat. There's a jackal smoking jacket and a bandicoot suit. And he's even pinched a pair of wombat combat boots. Check out the chicken as he runs from place to place, with truly odd apparel trailing from his suitcase. What's the chicken doing with the whooping crane's cane? Is the trick a common criminal or is it just insane? Yeah. Check out the chicken, he's chugging down that trail. Check out the chicken. I said check out the chicken. He stole Goanna's bandana just so he could gloat. Then he took a roach's brooch and stuck it on the goat's coat. He lifted llama's pajamas just for fun, nicked cheetah's windcheater and still wasn't done. What's this? Barramundi undies and a yak's dax. He even took a turtle's girdle and a pointer's top hat. He's got wolverines, jeans, flies, ties, cat's hats, apes, capes, canoe shoes and a fruit bat spats. So check out the chicken, he's running for his life. Yeah. He never thought that petty theft would lead to such strife. The tale of the chicken has 2 lessons you should learn. 1, if you borrow, you should promptly return. 2, when you are trying to get that special look, don't leave your clothes alone in the presence of a chook. In the presence of a chook. Check out the chicken, he's chugging down the trail, with 100 angry animals hot on his tail. Yeah. They all had to chase him halfway around the globe to get back what he nicked from their wardrobes. Check out the chicken, he's chugging down that trail. Check out the chicken. Check out the chicken. I said check out the chicken. Check out the chicken.